Sorry guys, alone on this one tonight, so I don't have anybody to rev. But this is a 2010 Grand Sport. Has a pretty simple build on this one. Just has stock gutted airbox. Looks like maybe a Z06 one. It has E85 and bigger injectors, stock LS3 cam, and the Corsa exhaust with long tube headers, and no catalytic converters yet, but we're actually going to put some back on this one. Get you a couple quick revs. Sorry, it's in the car, but you can hear him pretty good. Really good looking car too.